And in this question, we are constructing decision trees for these logical operators. So basically, it's y equal to this or y equal to that and so on. So we have done one of these in the lectures. So I'll be doing this one. Here, x1 implies x2. So let's first split according to x1. So let's label these examples the training set so that it's easier to refer to them. So at the beginning, the training set is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we split according to feature 1 first, then feature 1 is either 1 or 0. If it's 1, the subset is 1 and 2. If it's 0, the subset is 3 and 4. If it's 1 and 2, look at these labels. One of them is 1, the other one is 0, so we need to further split this. And here, both of them are 1, so you can put a leaf here, and this is a leaf, and it's labeled 1. So basically, when x1 is 0, I automatically label y is 1, which is true here. And then we need to split this. So we only have a smaller data set with 2 1s, with 1 and 0, x2 being 1, 0, and y also 1, 0. So we're going to split according to x2, 1 and 0. This one will be, there is only one data point. So this again is a leaf, and this one is also a leaf. So that's basically the decision tree. If you have any new data points, just say whether x1 is 0 or 1, and then if it's 1, then you need to decide according to basically x2. So to see the information gain, we need to first compute the entropy. So first compute the entropy for the whole set, so everything here, which is minus P0 log P0 log space 2 minus P1 log P1. So P0 is the fraction of label 0. So here, only one of them is 0. So minus 1/4 log base 2 a quarter, and here 3/4 log base 2 3/4. So that's our hy, and hy given x1 say is equal to 0 should be, we are here and we only have these two. So basically we are finding, given the ones that has x1 being 0, there are only these two. So the probability of it being 0 is 0, so minus 0 log 0 minus 1 log 1. So this is 0, this is 0, so that's 0. And similarly, we can do it for x1 is 1. When x1 is 1, then it looks like this. Then this means half of it, so minus a half, is 0, the other half is 1. So again, just substituting numbers, and then this is something. Let's compute it actually. So log half is minus 1, and combined with this minus half, so 0.5 plus 0.5, so this is 1. Yes. Then the next thing we need to do is we need to find the combined hy given x, which is just what's the probability of this thing happening. Let's use another color. So the probability of this happening times this entropy. So the probability of x1 being 0, if you look at this data set, half of it is 0, the other half is 1. So the fraction is half of x being 0, and then you multiply it by this number 0 here, and plus another half, x1 is 1, the number here is 1, so you get 0.5. So at the end, the final information gain is just whatever this number is, h of y, minus 0.5.